Hey everyone, welcome to Origami Land. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of origami. And we have something extra special for you, tutorial on how to create an origami shirt. And guess what? We're not stopping there. Stick around till the end, and you'll find exclusive links to learn how to make an origami ring and an origami flower. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Origami is not just about folding paper. It's an art that speaks volumes about patience, precision, and creativity. The origami shirt, in particular, is a fantastic example of how simplicity and beauty can come together to create something truly engaging. Starting with just a square piece of paper, we'll take you through each fold, transforming it into a stylish shirt that's sure to impress. Imagine the joy of creating a piece of art that can both entertain and amaze your friends and family. As you follow along, you'll not only improve your origami skills, but also gain a deeper appreciation for this age-old craft. From the first crease to the final fold, this tutorial will ensure you grasp the techniques needed to bring your origami shirt to life. Each fold, each crease, brings you closer to mastering the art of origami. You'll learn tips and tricks that you can apply to other origami projects, expanding your creative horizons. But this isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. Each fold is a step towards creating something extraordinary. You'll discover the therapeutic benefits of this ancient art form, as each fold brings a sense of calm and focus. The satisfaction of completing this project is unparalleled, knowing that you turned a simple sheet of paper into a beautiful, functional piece of art. Origami, as an art form, has roots that trace back centuries, originating from the Japanese tradition of paper folding. It's a craft that has been passed down through generations, adapting and evolving with each new fold and creation. The shirt, while seemingly simple, holds within it a rich history and a connection to the past. The beauty of origami lies in its ability to transform the mundane into the extraordinary. A single sheet of paper, through careful and deliberate folds, becomes a work of art that can capture the imagination and spark joy. The shirt is a perfect embodiment of this magic, turning a flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional object that can both charm and delight. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the nuances of each fold, offering insights and tips to ensure that your shirt turns out perfect. We'll explore the importance of precision and patience, and how these qualities can elevate your origami from good to exceptional. You'll discover the therapeutic benefits of this ancient art form, as each fold brings a sense of calm and focus. As you master the origami shirt, you'll find yourself developing skills that can be applied to a myriad of other projects. The techniques you learn here will serve as a foundation for more complex creations, opening the door to endless possibilities. Whether you're looking to impress your friends, find a new hobby, or simply enjoy a moment of creative zen, this tutorial is the perfect starting point. Imagine the conversations this little creation will start, the smiles it will bring, and the pure joy of saying, "I made this." Origami is more than just a craft. It's an expression of creativity, a dance between hands and paper that results in something beautiful and tangible. The shirt, with its elegant design and simple beauty, is a gateway to the endless possibilities origami offers. Think about how a simple piece of paper can become a conduit for creativity, a medium through which ideas are brought to life. The origami shirt isn't just a decoration. It's a testament to what can be achieved with focus and imagination. This ancient art form bridges the gap between the mundane and the magical, offering a tactile experience that digital creations can never replicate. So grab your paper and get ready to embark on this exciting origami adventure. By the end of this video, you'll have created an impressive origami shirt and taken your first step towards becoming a master of the craft. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting origami projects. Let's unfold the magic of paper folding together.